Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create stories with Openart AI. This is a great workflow if you have a simple idea in your head and want to turn it into a short visual story without needing to manually animate every scene. We'll walk through a simple workflow to turn a written idea into a short story-driven video using Openart's video tools. By the end, you'll have a clear process you can repeat for any concept you want to bring to life. Whether you're making a sci-fi clip, a fantasy scene, a product story, a short cinematic concept, or a social media video, the same basic process can help you move from idea to finished visual much faster. First, open your browser and head to Openart. From the main workspace, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Video. This takes you into the suite design specifically for generating animations and clips from text and references. It's a focused area with all the controls you'll need in one place. This is where you'll build the foundation of your story by choosing the right mode, entering your idea, setting the style, and preparing the final output. You'll see options to set a start and end frame. These controls are helpful when you want to define exactly how long the animation runs or align multiple shots across the same timeline. For example, if you're building a longer story with multiple clips, start and end frames can help keep the flow more organized and make transitions feel more intentional. For our example, we'll leave these at their defaults. That keeps things simple and lets the model handle pacing automatically. This is a good choice when you're just learning the tool, because it allows you to focus on the story idea first instead of getting stuck on technical timing settings. Next, choose Text with Reference. This mode is great when you want the model to follow your words, while also being guided by a visual reference. Even if you don't upload a reference right now, selecting this option keeps the door open to add one later for more consistent characters or style or setting. A reference can be useful if you want the same character look, color, mood, environment, or visual identity to carry across different clips. Now it's time to choose a model. Each available model has different strengths. Some lean more cinematic, others lean stylized. Pick the one that best matches the tone you're going for. If you're unsure, start with a versatile option and learn its look. Consistency across projects makes iteration easier. Once you understand how a model responds to certain prompts, you can create better results with fewer attempts. In the description box, type your story idea exactly as you want it told. For this example, enter a young hacker discovers a hidden AI system controlling the city and tries to shut it down. Keep your phrasing specific and visual brief. Concrete prompts help the model lock onto character, setting, and conflict. A strong story prompt usually includes who the main character is, where the scene takes place, what is happening, and what kind of mood you want, such as tense, cinematic, mysterious, dramatic, or futuristic. Below the description, select a sound effect that complements your mood. Choose the mode that fits your style preference and set your output. Output controls typically include things like aspect ratio and resolution. Match these to where you plan to share the video, like vertical for mobile or widescreen for desktop. For example, vertical works better for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts, while widescreen is better for YouTube videos, presentations, or cinematic previews. When everything looks good, click Generate. The system will process your request, interpret your description, and assemble visuals, motion, and audio into a cohesive clip. At this stage, your prompt, model, sound effect, and output settings all work together. So a clear setup gives the AI a better chance of creating a story that feels connected and easy to follow. Render times vary based on length and server load, so give it a moment. Once it finishes, you'll see your story realized as a short video, ready for review. Watch the whole clip from beginning to end, and pay attention to the character, setting, movement, mood, and whether the story idea comes across clearly. If the tone or pacing isn't quite right, remember that small wording tweaks like clarifying the setting, highlighting a key moment, or tightening action verbs often lead to big improvements on the next pass. For example, instead of saying, "a hacker in a city," you could say, "a young hacker standing in a dark neon control room, discovering a hidden AI system beneath the city." That gives the model stronger visual direction. And that's the full run-through. You've just created a story with Openart AI, from idea to animated output, using a clear and repeatable process.